Hey, welcome to my series, Your Basic Sewing Machine, but you sewed it anyway. I'm Amanda. I'm the bag maker behind ByAnnie Things. Here I'm going to be showing you bags that you didn't think you could sew on your home machine. You don't need a fancy machine. You don't need an industrial machine. You just need to know the right tips and tricks, and that's what I'm going to show you. I'm going to talk about how I made this bag on this machine. Meet Betty. She's my brother machine. Bought off Amazon years ago. $150, maybe less. Don't even remember. This is Helga. I did buy her for a little bit more money. This is the Alpen Belt Bag by Christina from Center Street Quilts. It is a sling type bag. It opens with the zipper. And inside are two pockets. What do I have here? Money. Time to buy more fabric. I didn't need a big fancy machine to make this bag. You can see it's mushy. That's not fabric. That's faux leather. I used this faux leather from Sew Hungry Hippie in the pattern foam. I use soft and stable. The pattern calls for foam. This is the foam that I like to use. This is the only foam that I like to use. Pretty thick combo. Number one, Gutermann thread, all purpose. It won't break. That's what you need. Needle choice. Do not sew on your basic machine with especially this kind of fabric and interfacing together. Those are really thick that you're asking your sewing machine to go through. They're a 90-14 needle, maybe even upgrade to a 116 jeans denim needle. It just depends on what's going to make it easy for all of this to get through the basic machine. I sewed this on my brother machine because Miss Helga was in the shop. I broke a needle or I did something that I probably shouldn't have done, but I needed this bag for a trip to Universal with my family. I wanted to be able to carry everything with me, and I just needed the essentials. This was the perfect bag for that. But I was on a time crunch. I didn't have the 6 weeks that it took for Helga to get back home. Enter brother. Sewed it on that using the tips and tricks I just talked about. You can see the result right here. I even quilted it. You don't need a fancy machine. You can use your at-home domestic machine. Stay tuned for the next installment of this series, Your Basic Sewing Machine, but you sewed it anyway. Happy sewing!